Next up, Frost Forge. In this quick video, I'll show you how to find the Mystical Crate as well as the weapon and armor crates, and of course, the Rift Anchor. The quickest way to get here is from the Vina Ford province using this teleporter over here. Then, we should be able to simply just parachute down to where we need to be. So where exactly are we going? Well, this bottom right building, so the southeastern building over here, has 3 crates inside of it, which is where we'll start. It's pretty much a straight parachute down from the teleporter up here, right over here. You can of course use the road to get in here. You don't need to parachute down, it's just what I'm doing. We'll start off at the far south corner. So at this spot over here, you can come up the ramp all the way to this point here, and we'll make our way in. This area should be lightly guarded. So making our way in here, you'll do extra damage to this little mini boss's backpack, so just try and roll past them to get some extra crits. And of course, I probably should have brought a better weapon with. Anyways, from the Vulture Conqueror, we get these items, and heading back into this building, we can find our way through to the 3 crates. So we'll head upstairs here, and on the northern side, stairs where you see the Vulture's sign, down to your right, you'll find this over here, which is the weapon crate. I got these items from it. Then we'll turn back and head through just underneath where this Vulture's sign is, down here. We'll then head down to the left into this area here. I can parachute into this. It's going to be a bit easier this way. And inside of here, we'll find a Tremble Guard. Not quite as difficult as the area boss, but still pretty angry. Getting rid of them, also pretty difficult. Vulture Tremble Guard, we get these items from him. Heading back to where we were a second ago. So back down here, you'll find the gear crate right over here. It was obviously protected by that little guard. From here, there's one more box that we can get. Head out here and all the way to the left, down the railing here, until we get into this next section. Then continue this way, all the way to that guard over there. I guess they're protecting the third and final box. And getting rid of this last one, by keeping a wall on their left side, it seems to absorb most of their shots. And there we go. With them out of our way, you're welcome, random stranger who didn't help at all. We've got ourselves in this far corner, some more meds, and of course, right next to it, a weapon crate. Grabbing this, we should now be able to head out of this big building and towards the marked area, which should have a bigger area boss in it. Of course, on our way towards this marked area, over here, towards the Rift Anchor, we'll find some more pushback and some more FPS drops, apparently. Up here, we can activate the Rift Anchor, and just below us, we should see the area boss. Be prepared, it's going to take a lot of bullets, and right next to it, you can see the gear crate. So let's start. Very tanky. Should be able to kite them back and forth, and as long as we avoid their axe, both coming towards us and on the way back, we should be fine. So they're already half HP. There we go. Couple more shots. We got rid of them. This is what we get from them. And of course, the gear crate right here. So there we go. That's what we get from it. Now, the Mythical Crate will be through this blue door right next to it. So head to this area here, beat the boss if you haven't already, and head through this blue door, which should take you up to the top of a hand. Up here, you can see the Mystical Crate over there, and this has taken us to this location here. So we'll head across to it, and of course, we can just grab it. So the Mystical Crate contains these items. Now, for an extra weapon crate, to the left of the door, you'll find this, which is southeast of this doorway that we just came through. And if we travel through the ice here, it'll take us to here, turn left, run all the way across this to the very end, where this person is, so I'm over here. And if this door over here to the left is open, it'll take you down into these sewers, and running through here, you should find another weapon crate. I think this is the button to open it. It's on the other side of this, so unfortunately I can't get there, but there's another weapon crate down there. Anyways, heading back towards the door that we came through, but we'll need to parachute down from this top area as it's super difficult getting up using the hands. We can climb up on this western side of the door, eventually find our way onto these pipes, and we can make it through the door once more. Heading back, we can now head through the red door, and now we'll essentially be behind that hand over here. We'll head across to the right towards the Rift Anchor, around in this direction, and to the east of it, so the Rift Anchor, over here, we can see the hidden crate up here. So we'll head across to it, up the ladder, if possible. It's a little bit glitchy, onto this little pipeway, and straight across to here, touching it. It'll take us backwards, and eventually we'll get given the hidden Mystical Crate over here. I suppose you could do it from somewhere up there. Anyways, this is just the way that I did it. Heading back towards the hand at the bottom here, we'll go through the red door, then the blue door that we get teleported next to, and we'll keep doing this all the way until we reach the very top. This will take you quite a while to reach, but eventually we'll get to here, and right next to it, a gear crate. And with that, we've now 100%ed this area. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.